Hello and welcome to Smart Connections, where the experts and the applications speak. And I'm here with Ron Schultz, who's VP of Products in Rubicon. And they have an excellent solution for embedded IoT security. And that's what we are focusing in on this quarter. So please, Rod, tell us about your product and how it's meeting the market.
Absolutely. Sure, cool, thanks Dennis. So Rubicon is an identity platform for IoT. We are targeting low-end resource-constrained microcontrollers. Specifically, we're going after the simplification of identity management for them. And we're going after a class of device where we think that PKI, public key infrastructure, does not scale down for these resource-constrained microcontrollers.
Yes.
So where the RSA algorithms, ECC, Diffie Hellman key exchange, are actually so resource-intensive or memory-intensive that it's not a fit. So we have a symmetric cryptography-based identity platform that allows you to overlay identities, and then once those identities are established, we have policies, rules engines that can be placed on top of them so that you can manage business models. So for IoT, as we're transforming from CapEx expenditure to OpEx, we're transitioning from product to service.
To a service, yes, central.
We're allowing people, the customer, to control the services that run on top of those devices, specifically these low-end ARM Cortex M0 Plus, Cortex M3, and 4 class device. We have some Pi 0s and Pi 3s here as well on the table.
Excellent. Yeah, so as you know, with Smart Connections, we like to see the applications speak as well.
Absolutely.
So maybe we can talk about some of the demos you have here a little closer.
Happy to, yeah. Right, so what we have here is we have 3 types of devices. We have our Rubicon devices. We have an attacker device that has essentially compromised the network or compromised the device in the network. And we have a sheep. So the sheep is an unprotected device that listens to anything that goes on and blindly accepts commands. And what's happening here is we have messages being replayed from this attacking device. And when that replay happens, the sheep will blindly follow what the replay is. The Rubicon devices will detect that it's a replay attack and drop the message on the floor because it has failed the signature check. We have secure time being sent from a cloud service. So here's a cloud service on the left here. And that secure time can be sent down to securely synchronized devices inside of the industrial infrastructure. And then we have kind of physical or kind of things that are happening when they're attached to these devices. So we have a camera taking pictures. You can see a picture that was just taken of me here. We have kinetic output, so this motor will spin when commands are sent securely to these devices. And we have a robot arm over here that's being run off of this Cortex M3 Plus device, where secure commands are coming in and basically saying secure toggle or secure something else. This is something that's effectively not possible today with current technology that's out there on the market, because it's not possible to set up secure communication and secure message transport and data capture from these low-end devices and get it up to the cloud, or have the cloud send these commands securely down to the devices. Once we establish this identity and this security, it's really up to the owner of this infrastructure to determine how they want to monetize it. And again, as we're shifting from product to service, we now need to figure out how do you monetize the services that are sitting on top of all of this infrastructure, this IoT infrastructure. And we provide a platform for fungible business model modification. So you've got this elasticity to the business model. You can now change, okay, I want my parts to operate in Europe, I don't want them to operate in North America, or I want to charge different price points for that. I want to charge more for when they operate between the hours of 10 and 2, and less after 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Whatever business model you want to put on top of it, it's done with identity, and it's done with identity management and policy management that sits on top of it.